Hello and welcome to Arab Business. Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince has announced an ambitious plan to reform the country's economy and involves weaning it off its crude oil exports. According to Mohammed bin Salman, the son of the king, believes the country can survive if oil runs out. The plan is to eventually stop exporting 2020. In a televised interview, he said the way forward is to make Saudi Arabia invest more abroad through a public investment fund. Qataris have beat Russians in a list of big spenders in the United Arab Emirates last year. According to a study of credit and debit card usage, low oil prices and changes in currency affected consumer habits. Kuwait's Deputy Premier and Acting Oil Minister has assured the public that the government's financial and economic reform plan will not include the wholesale privatization of oil and public services. Anas Al-Salah, speaking at a conference, said education, health services or selling government assets to private organizations would not be an option without the consent of all lawmakers. His comments were an attempt to allay fears that the government may privatize. Egypt is looking to boost trade with Algeria, amounting to $5 billion in the next 2 years. Egypt's commercial office in Algeria is actively seeking to increase deals within Algerian markets. The bulk of the current trade agreements between the two countries are exports from Egypt to Algeria. Iran is in negotiation with Russia over the sale of 40 tons of heavy water from its nuclear program. The sale comes after last year's nuclear deal where Iran must reduce its stock of heavy water as it's a component of making nuclear weapons. Syria and Russia have struck a deal worth €850 million to restore the war-torn country's infrastructure. Syria's Prime Minister Wael al-Halaki said on Monday that Russia is in favour of investing and that a number of deals have been signed. Morocco's annual consumer price inflation increased by 1.8% in March from 0.9% in February, according to figures released by the High Planning Authority. The organisation said the increase is due to high food prices, as has been rising month by month. That's all for now. For more updates, please visit levant.tv. We'll be back next week with some more from the business world in the Middle East. Goodbye.